Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this will be a new feature that will probably be a daily feature. And it's a feature that has to do with different aspects of news. And so I will call these the news bits. So every day expect at least one or sometimes a few tidbits like this of news items that I think are important to talk about. It's interesting because over the weekend a report came out that Apple would have actually pressured Foxconn into having workers kind of work in bad conditions without applying all the security and regulation rules to make sure that its Apple iPhone 11 actually comes out as they want. So this is not the first time we hear things like that. It's not the first time we hear, that conditions at Foxconn are very bad, and that a lot of it has to do with the way that these big companies like Apple actually want everything to be done as fast as possible, and that creates an environment that isn't really that great to actually, um, you know, um, work in, basically. So I don't know. It's of course these are rumors, but we already know that the conditions in these factories are kind of bad. Foxconn is the biggest supplier of pretty much everything we own. I mean, Foxconn, we often have that Apple side of things because they are a big supplier of Apple products. But the thing is, they actually it's like the electronics manufacturer of the world. They make so many different things for almost every major brand of electronics company. That means things like in our smartphones, but also in smart our smart TVs and big screen TVs and all sorts of electronic devices that we buy. There's a good chance that Foxconn has at some point something to do with it. It's I think it's something that we need to take care of and at least let the companies that we buy products from know that we like their products, but we also want them to not exploit these people too much at the same time. Not to exploit them into being poor and working like crazy all the time. There's minimum of conditions to be respected, and I think sometimes it's important that we should actually write to the companies that make our products and let them know. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.